Another surprising thing don happen again o my correct pipo. Know say we country Nigeria, they don drop the tax case against Binance executive. So I bring you informate on why e be like this and wetin go happen next. And I still bring you informate on how this quarter between Binance and the federal government e take start. So sharparly make I sama you the details of this headline wey I just give you so. But before I proceed onto the matter, I wan first remind you say na Anointed Lady TV na you dey so. If you dey like ogbonge and legitimate information on the things and things wey happen for inside the country Nigeria, make you hit that subscribe button and make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the information dey come, you dey get the update sharp sharp. So back to the koko of the hour. The tori be say the people wey dey in charge of tax matter for inside the country Nigeria, wey be the Federal Inland Revenue Services, they don drop the charges wey dem bin sama the two Binance executive. Now the tax office then drop the charges against the two executives from the popular cryptocurrency exchange platform wey everybody know as Binance, and this one e dey happen on Friday. Authorities for inside we country Nigeria then decide to withdraw the case against Tigran Gambaryan and Nadeem Anjarwalla after dem decide to serve their employer with the tax evasion charges instead of them as individuals. Now Gambaryan, wey be the US citizen, be the face trial on tax evasion wey the FIRS, wey be the Federal Inland Revenue Service, bin sama am, plus im colleague wey be Anjarwalla and Binance platform as defendants for the case. Now even though Gambaryan no show face for court to face the tax charges, the trial for the money laundering case against him and im colleague and the company go continue. The date for the hearing na Thursday 20th of June for inside this year 2024. You know say the anti-corruption police for the country Nigeria plus the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, wey be EFCC, dem bin file money laundering case against the defendants to the tune of $35.4 million, but dem deny any wrongdoing to our country Nigeria. But as I'm talking to you right now, my correct people, Oga Gambaryan wey dey 40 years instead dey prison custody for inside Abuja, wey be the capital city of the country Nigeria, while im colleague wey be Anjarwalla im dey wanted by Nigerian authorities sake of say im escape custody for inside the month of March this year 2024, and the circumstances e dey very much unclear. Nobody know how im take escape custody. And early this month, 16 US lawmakers for inside letter come dey tell President Biden say make him help secure the release of Gambaryan, wey dem talk say they dey hold them hostage for inside we country Nigeria. No be small koko my correct people. As all these things dey happen, make I sama you how Binance dey react on top the matter. Binance now they don react to the latest story about the two company executives. Now the talk person of the Binance, wey be Samantha Fuller, for inside one statement, he call the yarn say their body don calm down now after the FIRS, wey be Federal Inland Revenue Services, dem file amended charges for inside court. She said dem dey very much relieved to say the Federal Inland Revenue Service don serve and don file amended charges wey come from the tax charges against Tigran Gambaryan. And she come still dey yarn for inside her statement say Tigran no be decision maker for Binance o, and Nigerian authorities no need to hold am in order for Binance to come settle the issues with the Nigerian government, and they dey wait for the court ruling on the matter so they go discharge Tigran from the matter completely. Then she come dey praise the Federal Inland Revenue Service for their diligence and professionalism throughout the process. Instead, this situation now don demonstrate the commitment of Binance to resolve this issue with the federal government transparently and cooperatively. Now, in order for Tigran to go home to go meet im family, say dem dey very much hopeful say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, wey be EFCC, go take similar steps. Now Oga Tigran im don dey detained for 110 days, and im physical health e don drop, including one recent malaria and pneumonia diagnosis. Binance come dey talk say dem dey committed to continue to work with the Nigerian government to resolve the issue. Now sharparly, my correct people, make I yarn you another legit. Make I sama you the amended charges wey just come out. So now, according to court documents, the Federal Inland Revenue Services dem sama Binance 4-count charge for the amended charges. The count na count number 1 say Binance Holding Limited on or about 1st February for the year 2024 for inside Abuja, dem bin dey involved in carrying out services to subscribers for their platform wey people sabi as Binance. Dem fail to register with the Federal Inland Revenue Services. For doing so, dem don commit offence contrary to and punishable under Section 8 of the Value Added Tax Act of 1993 as amended. Now count number 2, Binance Holdings Limited on or about 1st February for the year 2024 for inside Abuja, when una dey offer taxable services to subscribers on una platform, dem fail to issue invoices to subscribers for una trading platform for the purpose of determining and payment of their value added taxes, and in so doing commit offence contrary to Section 8.29 of the Value Added Tax Act of 1993 as amended. Then count number 3, Binance Holdings Limited on or about 1st February for the year 2024 for inside Abuja, dem offer services to subscribers for your platform wey people sabi as Binance for buying and selling of cryptocurrencies and for the remittance and transfer of the assets dem for your trading platform wey people sabi and dey operate as Binance. Supposed to deduct value added taxes, but una fail to deduct the necessary value added taxes wey come out from una operations, and thereby una commit offence contrary to and punishable under 40 of the Federal Inland Revenue Service Establishment Act 2007 as amended. Then count 4 and the last, Binance Holdings unlawfully refuse to pay taxes or neglect to pay DOS taxes, and in doing so commit offence contrary to and punishable under the provisions of Section 94 of the Companies Income Tax Act as amended. So my correct people, now I don confirm am na say this matter no be small one o. Now I know say you go dey wonder say how Binance and federal government take get kwata, how e take play. Now make I yarn you legit, make I sharply give you the genesis of the issue. Know say for inside the 22 day of March for this year 2024, na the Federal Inland Revenue Service bin file legal proceedings against the cryptocurrency exchange platform executive wey be Gambayon and Nadeem, where dem allege tax evasion. Then on the 17th day of May for this year 2024, the Federal Inland Revenue Service come amend their lawsuit where dem allege say Binance and Gambayon dem fail to collect and remit various categories of taxes to the federation, especially the value added tax wey be VAT and the company income tax wey be CIT, wey Section 40 of the Federal Inland Revenue Service Establishment Act 2007 as amended talk. Meanwhile, the Nigerian Minister of Information wey be Mohammed Idris, he bin don talk say the cryptocurrency trading platform wey be Binance, dem bin don get a turnover of over $20 billion for inside we country Nigeria just for 2023 alone o. The Nigerian government now become accuse Binance say dem dey influence foreign exchange rates wey make governments to tighten crypto trading platforms. Then the EFCC dey also prosecute Binance and their executive separately sake of alleged money laundering and foreign exchange contravention. Now for inside the 28th day of February for this year 2024, Nigerian authorities bin detain 2 senior Binance executives wey be Nadeem Anjarwalla, wey be British Kenyan citizen, wey also be regional manager for Africa, and Tigran Gambayon wey be American, and him na the head of financial crime compliance for Binance. Dem bin dey under detention for 2 weeks before Nadeem come escape from custody. The Binance executive now bin visit we country Nigeria for meeting after government bin chook eye for the cryptocurrency platforms as part of their campaign to balance forex and we country naira wey be dey fall anyhow. So my correct people, this na the history of the case between Binance and we federal government. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV, and na we dey like give ogbonge and legitimate informate on the things and things wey dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, abeg make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first get the update and you go get am sharp sharp. I dey bring other news for you my correct people. No go anywhere.